Hello, welcome back. Got a couple of hard drives, one normal size mechanical hard drive and one laptop hard drive. Right, this one first. I've already taken out the screws. There's a couple of hidden screws here and here and around the outside. Nice big chunk of aluminium, metal top. And we have a nice shiny platter. The heads. This one's a bit sticky. And some big strong magnets. And obviously the ribbon cable from the heads that goes through into the board down here. And then out through your cable. This one's a IDE. The cable's been ripped out. Right, we'll have a look at the laptop hard drive. Another mechanical one, but just smaller. And there we go, exactly the same, but everything's smaller. Got our platter. We've got our heads, smaller. Some magnets from the head to the ribbon cable and back through to the board. And that's a SATA connection. And that one there I think was a 40 gig hard drive. Obviously this one's ruined now because I've touched the platter. Head's a bit sticky as well. That's why I pulled them apart. But yeah, if you're just interested to see, whoops, what was actually inside them, that's what it is. Spinning disc, and the heads read your data backwards and forwards. Just like the big one here. Round and round. And read the heads. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, make a comment, share even. Cheers. See you in the next one.